It's a seashell.
It's a seashell.
Good.
Went to the beach.
Went to a beach. That's right. That came from a beach. Thank you.
It's a snail.
Is it a snail?
Yeah.
It does look like a snail.
And a seashell. It's a seashell.
It's good.
Look.
Wow, we've come a long ways.
She never shuts her mouth. Kidding?
This one's...
Yeah.
Oh, that's an owie.
What did she say?
She sees a old callus.
Kiss it better.
Say it's a boo-boo.
Is that boo-boo? Is that what do you call them? Boo-boos?
A boo-boo.
Boo-boos?
You wanna hold him?
No.
No.
This one right here broke. This one's broken.
Well, you guys had perfect timing. Getting up here. Or the baby had perfect
Oh
timing.
yeah, the baby had perfect timing. I was just telling Aaron, this past week he had his first son, and the first Sunday after that is Father's Day.
Right. Perfect.
You want to miss Father's Day?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Baby crying? Lincoln's crying?
It's okay.
It's okay.
He's okay. Say hi, Megan.
Hi. I don't have any makeup on.
It's okay. I don't either.
Yeah, me neither.
We're glad.
Let's go see what Aaron's doing. Let's see. This is Aaron's house. This is Aaron's. Oh, big yawn. This is Aaron's mini grand, baby grand that he got for $500. I'm so jealous. And the decorations, and the stairs, and there's Aaron.
Hey,
Say hey, hey.
these onions are kicking my butt.
Are you crying? And we're watching home videos on the computer. There's Steve in his underwear, pumping iron. Look at that!
Yeah, that's hilarious. What? And Zach running around in his underwear.
His underwear.
It's still, oh, see it?
No, I missed it.
Moon
the camera. Nice. And their kitchen. It's such a nice house. In their backyard, it has a cool pool in it. It's so cool.
Alright. Finished.
Your neighbor wants to come over and say hello and see the baby.
Who?
Two houses down.
Oh, that way?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we should do more.
They have a kitty. What cat is that?
I don't know. Zone Snow.
Making guacamole dip. Nummy nummy from scratch.
We have
And there's Mama.
cycled records.
Hi.
They have records. So
He falls asleep.
Nope, he's just quiet, just looking around.
How was it?
Fine.
Here and everything.
It was nice. That was
Like
fun.
it?
Yes.
Like a lot. Good morning, everybody.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's what Aaron said. It's a game.
It's making noise.
Is that your new one?
Uh-huh.
Does your old one play, is it a digital recorder? The old one digital recorder?
It's